Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you a VS Code extension in which you can directly generate React components directly from VS Code. So this is the extension right here, React component generator. It's used by almost 492,000 developers. So it basically saves a lot of time. It directly generates the component files of React directly from VS Code. So simply click the install button and simply install this extension, and after installing it, now simply select whichever location you want to just create one folder, or you can also just go to command prompt and just write here react create react. You will see this option appearing if you right click here, you will see this option appearing in the context menu, generate react component. So right, if you want to generate this, simply name your component. So after naming it, it will create this component automatically for you, which is user tcx file here. It will create automatically this components folder, and inside this it will create all these files automatically for you. So if I delete this and show to you from scratch, so now you can see there is no folder is there. And just right click again, simply select generate react component and just name your component, and then automatically it creates this folder, and all the files are automatically generated for you, and the boilerplate code is also added. So this will save a lot of time because you don't need to manually create those files, and instead you can install this extension which will do the job for you. So you can see automatically all the files have been generated. So if you want to create another component, again simply right click and simply select that option, user 2, and now it will create another folder in the components folder, user 2, and all the files are again generated. So definitely check out this extension guys, React component generator, and basically generate components directly from VS Code.